Alrighty, here we have Norfolk Southern V07 westbound here in Suffolk. 2583 is the leader in the older NS paint scheme. And it's with my favorite NS crew, the two Jacksons on duty tonight for tonight's NS V07-02. Making his way through Suffolk. Mr. Jackson and Mr. Jackson on duty tonight. Oh man, look at him smoke. Woohoo! Yeah! 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 I can't hear you, Jackson! Thanks! Thanks, Jackson! You rock, baby! Woo! Haha! 2583! And NS-98765! Alright! Man, look at that! As the two Jacksons will lead the NS V07-02. Man, Jackson is not wasting any time to get this V07 on the road. He's got a good one coming out the switch. On the end of containers, this is a pretty good V07. This is a very good V07. So we will watch NS SD70M number 2583 and NS Standard Cab -9 number 8765. That SD70M still looking good in the old NS paint, as the two Jacksons will lead the NS V07-02. And I do see the end of the V07 coming our way. Yes, sir. The last car has come off the switch. That's good right there. He got off the switch safely. NS V07-02 clear Suffolk. And here come the final bare tables of the train. And here comes the last car. Woohoo! Now that right there was a classic V07. Man. That's a scene that can be repeated for many years to come right there. An SD70M lead a Standard Cab -9 for power. With my favorite NS crew, the two Jacksons. Love it. Absolutely love it. So NS V07-02, clear Kilby. Heading west. And there go the quadrant gates as they go up. Alrighty. That's train number 2. Thanks for watching. This is Engineer Pat, out.